hello. It's 7:15 AM. Guess who's our driver? I think we have to buy insurance. We might not make it to the dive site alive. We have Mike, Sadie, and we have a new diver with us, Danielle. Free diver. She's diving for free. And John.
So, conclusion, we found a new dive site.
What's the name?
I don't know, we can name it now.
Name it.
I think so.
Martin's Point.
I don't know, it wasn't my point actually at all to go there, but but yeah, so that's what we got. Strong current. While we jump in, we already drifted a little bit away from the place. I got down and I thought that we are at the right place, but then I understood this looks different, that looks different, and finally it's absolutely different place. So 1 hour surface interval and then we'll go back again.
Wait. Okay, called bamboo. Sorry? Called bamboo. This is the wrong place? You are going to the wrong place. Oh, shit.
Crazy dive, right?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was awesome. What was awesome?
Everything. We saw 5 sharks.
Five sharks.
Huge moray eel.
Crazy current, right?
Thermocline. The thermocline so strong we couldn't see anything in front.
So it was like 28 and then 20,
25.
25.
25.
It felt cold there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daniel, agree? Yeah.
Super cold.
Super cold.
Yeah.
But good dive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super good dive.
They were like holding on a reef and they breathing out and the bubble is just going down. The first contact with the sharks.
Could hear me underwater. Excited sounds. Medium. And then my GoPro was just like.
So that's why your GoPro was the maximum length, right?
Yeah.
All the time, just to keep the distance between you and sharks.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
safe distance. Still pretty small, the sharks in my GoPro.
Yeah. And you? You like them?
What?
Another morning, beautiful morning. A little bit windy, but there's no waves. And what else you want for a good diving? We are going to Tulumben. We'll do drop off and Liberty Rack because Sadie and Mike never did that. And that's why they are here. They want to see the most famous places around Ahmed and Tulumben. So that's why we're going there. So your first dive
Trip? Yeah.
Are you happy about that?
I'm thrilled.
I would be happy actually. It would be
right?
my first one.
It exceeded my expectations. I saw a wreck. I saw currents. I saw sharks. Drift dive.
Drift, yeah.
I flipped backwards off a boat. Mantas.
For the first
Eagle
time.
rays first time. Yeah.
It's so amazing. I'm like kind of jealous a little bit
It's my first time.
because I'm missing that emotions already. But for you,
it's like the first time I've ever seen any of that in my whole life.
yeah.
And it's like all right at the shore, and everyone on the land just lives on the land and doesn't go out there.
Yeah.
Gotta go to the ocean, right?
So difference between diving in Bali and California.
A lot warmer. A
Warmer.
lot more to see here.
Yeah.
Nice wrecks, strong currents.
But you definitely recommend also California. For example, I would like to see the
Oh, yeah.
kelp forest.
Oh yeah, kelp forests are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Different experience.
Seals
are great. Seals are the best.
That's from my bucket list actually. So then I will visit you now.
Perfect. Perfect.
And you will bring me out for the day.
Anytime. So now, hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.